Hi YouTube, it's Yasha here. Today we're going to talk about the concept that got me into investing in the first place, as well as many other people, and that makes the whole world of finance and investing very, very exciting. So to make it easier, let's switch to a film. So let's take a famous concept from a big movie named Inception, a dream within a dream, and transform it into a financial version. Imagine a world where you have some money invested, and that money generates more money. And that money that is being generated is capable of generating even more money. And that money that is being generated by the money that was generated by your initial investment is capable of doing even more money. And that's exactly why the richer get richer. This phenomenon called compounding interest generates a snowball effect. And once it starts, if you do it properly, it can make you really rich throughout the long term. And let me give you a practical example with a platform that I've been testing out in the past couple of weeks, namely AI marketing. By the way, if you don't know what it is, here's a quick description video. So I've been getting on average around 80% a month from them. So supposedly I put $1,000 in this platform. In the first month, my $1,000 will become $1,800. And let's suppose that I'm not using the money and just reinvesting it. So in the second month, I will have $1,800 working for me. Now in the second month, those $1,800 will become $3,250. Now again, those $3,200 will then make another 80% in the third month, which will become $5,832. Already in the fourth month, if I reinvest all this $5,000 plus dollars, I can get to $10,000 plus dollars. Now keep in mind that this platform does not guarantee the returns I gave to you, although this is what I actually got in the past month. And compared to other investments like stocks, real estate, etc., it's a little bit less, actually a lot less secure and safe, and a lot more niche and unprotected. But with these high, let's say, return numbers, I'm able to give you a good idea of what the concept of compounding is. So why am I telling you this? Well, very simple. Once you truly understand and embrace the concept of compounding, every time you're gonna spend $1 on something that is unnecessary, you will think twice, because you will realize that $1 spent today could potentially be $1,000 missed out in the longer term future, as through the power of compounding, that dollar can compound itself and keep on making more and more money. I will not go into the mathematics, I don't want to bore you too much. This is the basic concept. You can have your money work for you and compound itself and grow more and more and more quickly every single year that goes, if you keep on investing and putting in more money. With that said, thank you for watching this quick video. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. If you have some question about something else on top of compound interest, leave a comment. I might create a video and tag you on it. Thank you, ciao.